in the evening. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Liberty Point to 10 nautical miles southeast of Buckhead Ridge to Seneca, moving north at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Liberty Point, Canal Point, Sandcut, Harlkey, Buckhead Ridge, Calusa, Moore Haven, and Clewiston. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.